All right, hey guys, I just wanted to hop on here quick and show you exactly what you're going to get with the List Lion 3-day challenge. It is action-packed, value-packed, and it's worth every single cent of $7. So we'll just hop into my computer screen here and I'll show you quick. All right, this is your back office here. First of all, Randy gives you all the training that you're going to need, all in these modules right over here. Also, when you sign up, you get 100 free subscriptions right to you. These are nurtured email leads that Randy gives to you. You get Email Octopus, which is an autoresponder, free of charge, up to 2,500 subs. Then it's a small fee after that. And then you also get free funnels. Randy does all your funnels for you. So all you have to do really is just go out there and promote this great product. And it is full of value. All right, so yeah, this is the back office of List Lion. I'll click up here and I'll show you what the email autoresponder looks like. This is Email Octopus. This looks like I have 1,717 subscribers as of now. So if you don't know exactly what email marketing is, it is you collect emails every time someone clicks on one of your offers. That email gets stored back here in Email Octopus. It's called an autoresponder. And at any time, you can send a mass email to any one of your lists. Like right here, I have four total lists. You can send a mass email with an offer to your whole list, and they'll get the offer, and that's how you make continuing income. And then we have also our own Facebook group. Let's see if I can find it here. And here it is. This is our Facebook group. So Randy keeps everything posted. I don't know how he does it. He keeps up really well, but every time someone makes a sale, you can see it here. Randy just keeps posting it. And inside this group too, we encourage each other, and everybody has a great time. And this gal here, she's only been here 10 days, I believe, and she's doing pretty good for herself. So yeah, I hope you guys hop on this offer. I just wanted to stop in and welcome you to the den. Take care.